How to remove your Facebook from your profile on Udemy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Facebook from your profile, easy and quick. First, open Udemy. Now go to your profile here in the top corner and then click on it, and here you will find your profile settings. Then scroll down, scroll until you find here Facebook, and then click on it and remove it, and that's it. Now just click save, and I hope that can help you. Now just go back, it will be saved as you see. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.